Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to turn off mirror selfie in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Mirror selfie means if you are raising right hand and taking a selfie, then if you view in the resulted image, that is outcome of the image, you will see in the image that you raised your left hand. Okay, so what it appears on viewfind, that is shown in the result. Okay, so you got to turn off mirror selfie, because sometimes if you are posing eating with right hand, then in the final outcome of the image you will find that you are eating with left hand. Okay, so to change it, you got to turn off mirror selfie. First I show how this result comes. Okay, first I go to camera and I keep mode in photo, and I click on selfie mode and I take a picture. Now I am raising my right hand. Okay, and I take a picture. In the preview here, that is this is like a mirror. Okay, so in the mirror also it will appear like left hand raised. Okay, see the result of final outcome. It looks like a left hand raised. Okay, suppose if you are eating with right hand, what will happen? See here, I am posing like this and I take a picture, and see here I am eating this picture. If you are seeing this picture, it may be like that, eating with left hand. Okay, so you go to turn off mirror selfie, okay, for real purpose. So what you got to do is go to more button, go to this three horizontal line and go to settings, and here just turn off this button mirror selfie, so that it will appear rightly. Okay, so now I am going to take a mirror selfie. Okay, with the right hand I am eating. Okay, and see the final outcome of the image. It is actually eating with right hand. Okay, so this would be same. This is now outcome is same like what I did in real time. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off mirror selfie for some particular photo video. Okay, that is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.